Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here in the Chicago Ridge area. We not only represent Chicagoland, but all the surrounding areas. We're here at 10620 Ridgeland Avenue, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, gorgeous unit with hardwood floors and a spacious balcony and an open floor plan. But before we take you inside, I want to show you the neighborhood. You're close to parks, shopping, dining, nightlife, public transportation is not that far away either. You guys ready to take a look around? Have a safe flight.